No be small thing, Momo girl. This car makes sense.
Oh boy, come here, I beg. This machine don't they give me headache now. I don't understand what's my price center here.
More paper. Fat all of Nana coconut tail. Now don't make my day.
Woman, I'm waiting now. Waiting be your own. I dey swear for you. Why not allow me rest? Christmas this, Christmas that. Now most I go buy new clothes for this picking them. Don't they disturb me like that oh. Happen Makabiko. I will kill myself for you.
Oga, wetin dey worry that your wife sef? I beg, say to me, Joe. Say to me, I know quite for story.
Don't worry. Wetin they do here? Make we do fast. Come on, make person go do ATM, Joe. Do sharp, come on, make person go do ATM.
Hey, the only one ATM is they work here.
Yeah, I don't understand.
I know I have some money here.
Now, wow.
How far was the problem?
This machine is not seeing my card, but I have been using this card for long now.
Worry, let me see the card. Now, wow, this card need to. Wait, make I clean the card well.
Okay, thanks. It's working now. Thanks so much.
How about see let me show you something. Next time when you won't use this card again, just clean this silver panel well. If you clean and well finish, you could just insert them for this machine, then automatically your money could come out. You understand me? How about this card don't follow? Wait, make I pick up for you. Collect.
Okay, thanks so much. Bye.
Right there. Now later now.
I appreciate it. Thanks.
No be small thing, Momo girl. This card makes sense.
Oh boy, come here, I beg. This machine don't they give me headache now. I don't understand what's in my price center here. This thing they respond. I don't try to put my card twice now. Enter my pin. You know they green go give me money. Oh, God, what you have? Just tell me invalid pin. Now. Try the pin now. My pin now 1315. Just try and sharp. See if he go give you money. Enter them again now. Try now.
Oga, collect your card. Network no day for this card withdrawal. Try using fingerprint, I beg.
Okay, now correct card. Thank you. Don't try. Hello, Dogo, I don't land. Confirm. The rules now, magnificent.
This people don't come out finally. It's showtime. This guy will even start it now. You can start with this card. More paper. Fat all of Nana coconut tail. Now don't make my day. I did good job. You just call me sir. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Smash that subscribe button below to see more of our notifications on upcoming videos. youtube.com/3D Cartoon Hub.